Welcome to Native Camp! I'm Meico. When you take a foreign teacher's class, you sometimes feel difficulties or face some troubles in understanding what your teacher is saying in only English, don't you? But don't worry about it, because I'm here. I'm very eager to help you out. In my class, I'm willing to provide you with a Japanese explanation if you want. Of course, no problem. So please feel free to ask me any questions you really want to know. And then let's solve them very quickly, easily, and clearly. I really want to remove your anxiety and stress. And I believe my class is quite suitable for beginners and kids. Also, I hope you will enjoy the class with me. So let's have fun! See you soon!